The GrapCoin YouTube channel is pleased to present another installment of the ICP update series. Now let's take a look at the ICP chart. Even if we haven't surpassed the lows from March, it's clear that a top is formed. You may remember that the previous swing low rallied into the... Well, we've reached the first ideal target for this fifth wave, which is wave 5 of 1 or wave 5 of A. Be mindful of. Remember that this chart has a poor general history. Yes, the first 5 waves of upward movement may signal a bull market, but this is a lifelong slide, as I have continually stated. Nonetheless, I see no evidence that suggests this structure cannot be a large ABC. If this is indeed a yellow ABC, or at least has the makings of one, it may be wise to wait till the first one forms in wave C before trading long on this one. I understand. I thought I'd let you know there might be 5. The wave is rising and I'm currently watching for a possible dip into the support area. Nobody knows for sure if we're in wave B or wave 2 just yet, because wave 4 might easily reset into a more chaotic flowing flat shape. I understand. Just like in this case, the market can easily generate and heighten the B wave if it so desires. Here we see the letter C and the number 4. Certainly this is doable. The problem here is with the structure. It is entirely impossible to discern the microstructure. Although it appears to have a sizable area in theory, its actual size increases significantly during wave 4. Therefore, it's not a good idea right now. Does it seem possible to dismiss it? Obviously, that's not the case. Just something to keep in mind then. If we can break below the March low, I think we should look for support in the yellow area. At that point, you'll be able to see the 4 Fibonacci levels as potential answers, with prices ranging from $4.33 to $39.61, one on top of that. If the reaction is hasty, we may thus have our first long trade set up for either the third wave or the C wave, the latter of which might be an upside correction. It makes no difference if I call that a C wave to the upside or a third wave. That being the case, the number of waves in the third wave and the C wave should be nearly identical. Thus, in the near term, it is of little consequence which one it is. It would be perfect if the third wave crested at a slightly higher level than the C wave. Nevertheless, while talking about the C wave, I'm not able to give you a specific objective at the moment because that relies on where the low is being formed. Having said that, I do think $61 is currently within the projected range. The amount to which the B wave dips, though, will determine the exact amount. The standard objective of a C wave is to achieve full extension. There is a structural support at 10.70 as soon as the red candles return, though. Located beneath it is the Fibonacci support area. Being on the lookout for items below $4.33, thus a worthy endeavor. Absolutely nothing bullish has been left. Nonetheless, here's hoping this sets off a chain reaction that will sustain the bull market. Perhaps the C wave and upward correction will follow. You might think of it as a cross between the numbers 1 through 5 and so on. Putting money into the support region is an option you have, of course. Your odds of a successful trade will improve when we see the first one, so keep that in mind. Divided into 2 sets. If things remain as disorganized as they are down here, we risk not obtaining a truly obvious 1-2 setup. Not all of them are conscious. A lot of wave 2s are shallow, especially if it's a third wave or a C wave. Impulse, they exhibit extremely hostile behavior on occasion. I wanted to mention that there's a possibility we won't see a clear wave 2 pullback if you opt to wait until the first one, the 2 setup, even if it's clear they haven't started moving higher yet. Though it seems unlikely at the moment, the bull market could end soon. However, a local decline is clearly happening right now. Just waiting for the first small upward push will tell us that a low has formed. That is correct. It is my ICP report. Hopefully I appreciate the update. Please hit the like button if that's the case. Please leave a remark and subscribe. Your attention to the GrapCoin channel on YouTube is much appreciated. So long.